Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by inserting the first page number so everything else follows logically. Open your document and save a backup, then go to Insert, Page Number, and pick Top or Bottom and a simple style. If you don't want a number on the cover, enable Different First Page. This separates the first header/footer so the rest number normally. Once done, check that numbering appears as 1 on the intended page. Make sure the header/footer is unlocked for editing so you can continue. Now you manage sections so different parts can have independent numbering. Insert a section break, Next Page, where numbering style should change, then uncheck Link to Previous in the header/footer to isolate it. Choose Format Page Numbers to set number format or start at a specific value. This is how you switch to Roman numerals or restart at 1. Once configured, verify that new sections show the intended numbers. Make sure you repeat unlinking for each new section to avoid accidental inheritance. Finish by refreshing and validating the numbering across the document. Press Select All and F9 to update fields, then inspect odd and even headers if you use facing pages. Ensure different odd and even is set correctly. If a sequence is wrong, open Format Page Numbers to reassign, start at, or remove the offending section break and reapply it properly. One key troubleshooting tip: if numbers jump or duplicate, unlink the header/footer from previous section, reset Start At, and then update field.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.